is this oldie song that says, I never knew love like this before? I think that's by Stephanie Mills. I don't know who it's by, but y'all, I never knew love like this before. This wig, this one right here. Y'all gonna need it. I'm gonna have all the details in this video, so stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Beige. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and comment down below before you leave. Today's video is going to be all about this beautiful wig. This wig was sent to me from Rpgshow. I'll have all of their information, the promo codes, and the direct links down below in the description box. The wig that I received is in the style Gia 017. This is a 20-inch, 13x6 Swiss lace front wig. The texture is Yaki and the density is 200%. This wig already comes colored with striking chocolate brown highlights. The wig has face framing highlights in the front with dark roots and dark tips. The transition is perfect and the hair color job is called Ombre. I'll give you guys a peek at the Ombre hair color a little later on in this video, and the wig does also come layered too. This is one of the best hair color jobs that I have seen on a wig, and this one is of amazing quality. Straight out of the package, you already know, you feel and see the difference in terms of quality. Not only is the coloring job flawless, the hair texture, the density, the hairline, everything about this wig is on point. Rpgshow did an amazing job with this one. Finding a long-lasting, high-quality Yaki unit that has been colored for you already is very difficult to find, but this one is high on the list of must-have wigs. This hair color with this hair texture is a 10 out of 10. The hairline is also pretty flawless. Here is an up-close of the hairline. The knots have been deep bleached. The hairline is fully plucked, which makes this wig ready to wear and perfect for beginners. The wig has 3 combs, an adjustable strap, and a removable elastic band. All right, so here's the wig on a mannequin head. Look how beautiful these layers are. The first thing that I am going to do to this wig is tint the lace. I'm grabbing 2 different colors of lace tint. This step is always optional. You do not have to tint the lace to your wigs, especially if you wear a wig cap underneath, but I do not wear wig caps under my wigs. I'm grabbing 2 different colors of lace tints that I created myself. The first color is the color of my foundation, and I'm spraying that along the hairline portion of the wig on the under portion of lace. The second color is the color of my scalp, and I'll be spraying that on the inner portion of the underside of lace. I'm doing 2 different layers of each color of lace tint and then blow drying in between each layer. This is going to give me a perfect color match, which is going to make the install flawless. So as you saw, the wig does come with layers already, but I do want the layers to be a little shorter in the front. So I am going to grab my shears and I'm just going to cut some of that length off in the front. I love the cascading effect that deeper layers do have when the hair is curled, and I do plan on curling this hair today. So that is the reason why I am going to cut it a little bit shorter. Of course, this step is always optional as well. And here is how the cut looks now. I feel like I have way more body and movement, and I think it's going to look so nice when I curl this wig. To style this hair, I'll be grabbing BioSilk's Silk Infusion Hair Serum, applying that to the hair. And then I am going to grab my hair wax stick. This one is from Care, and I'm going to use that hair wax stick around the hairline and then use my pressing comb to smooth all of the hairs into place. If you made it this far into the video, hashtag Rpgshow in the comment section. When I'm working with Yaki textured or kinky straight textures, I do use a hairspray before and after I curl the hair. So in small sections, I am just going to use a comb and comb through the section. Then I'll be grabbing a hairspray. This one is from Chi. I'm going to spray that onto the hair, and then I'm going to use my Baby Bliss curling iron to curl the hair. After that, I'm going to hold the curl for about 10 seconds and then spray that hairspray on it again and hold it for another 5 seconds and then let go. I'm going to follow those steps for the entire head, and I'll come back when I'm finished. Here is a better look at the Ombre hair color. As you can see, there is dark at the bottom, dark at the top, and then it's highlights throughout, and then face framing highlights in the front. Ombre hair colors are very difficult to do, and it takes a long time to produce the final look. Rpgshow, hats off to y'all for this one. Okay, so now that the hair is fully prepped, I'm going to remove this extra lace. I'm going to grab a pair of scissors and slice down the center to divide it into 2 different sections. Then I'll be grabbing a pair of pinking shears and carefully cutting off that extra lace by following the natural curvature of the hairline. Grabbing some alcohol, I am going to clean off my forehead to prep my skin for install. Then I'll be grabbing scalp protector from Walker Tape and applying a few layers of that to my hairline. Grabbing the wig, I'm going to hold it on its side so that I have a very clear view of the under portion of lace. I'm grabbing Eben New York's Wonder Lace Bond, and I'm going to spray a very thin layer of that Wonder Lace Bond adhesive to the very edge of the lace. I'm going to blow dry for a few seconds until that adhesive becomes tacky. I'm going to grab that wig, place it on my head in its proper placement, and then use my fingertips to press that lace and adhesive into my skin. 10 minutes later, I'm going to remove my headscarf, and then I'm going to use my baby hair brush and some water to just go through the hairline to smooth out or release any hairs that may have gotten stuck onto that adhesive during the setting process. So I'm just going to, smooth the hairline, just making sure that all of the hairs are going in the direction that I want them to go into. My hairline is a lower hairline, and most wigs don't match my hairline perfectly, so my hairline does kind of show through my wigs when I install them. Because of that, I do add baby hairs to a lot of them, so I'm just going to add baby hairs off camera. And here is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. I did end up doing a side part, and I'm going to show you guys this middle part, the side part, how everything came out. How do you feel about this wig? What do you think about this wig? Is it flawless? I know you guys keep hearing me say that, but it really, really, really is. Rpgshow did so good with this one. I'll have all of the information, the promo codes, and the direct links to the wig worn in this video down below in the description box. If you're new here, welcome. Hit that subscribe button before you leave. Do you prefer the middle part or the side part better? How would you wear this wig if you had it? Don't forget to comment so that we can chat everything this wig down below in the comments. And I can't wait to see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.
Yeah, that's right. It's Beijos.